Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss the const qualifier. So let's get started. We can declare variables as constants by using the const keyword before the data type of the variable. But if we make any variable as a constant using const keyword, we cannot change its value later on. The const qualifier gives the direction to the compiler that the value of variable cannot be changed, and the constant variables can be initialized once only. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of const qualifier or const variable. Guys, this is the syntax of const qualifier or constant variable, and here we are going to use a keyword const, and then we will use data type and then variable name, and after that we can assign any value to this variable. And const int a equal to 10 is the example of constant variable or const qualifier. So the value of a will be 10, but we cannot change the value of a later on. Now guys, let's take an example of this const qualifier or constant variable. Guys, in this program we have declared a constant integer variable a and we have assigned 10 to it. So now if I print the value of a, so it will print the value of a 10. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Now if we make any variable as a constant using const keyword, we cannot change its value. The constant variables must be initialized while they are declared. So let's take an example of this. Guys, in this program we have declared two constant integer variables a and b, and we have assigned 10 to a. Now guys, if we try to change the value of a by using this increment operator, then we will get compile time error. But guys, we can use it for substitution for other variables, just as I did in this statement. So I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward guys. Now guys, how to modify a constant variable in C programming. Whenever we use const qualifier with variable name, it becomes a read-only variable. So any attempt to modify this read-only variable will result to a compilation error, and that would be assignment of read-only variable. Now guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. Guys, in this program we have declared a constant integer variable a and we have assigned 10 to it. Now guys, if I run this program, it is printing the value of constant variable a, and that is 10. Now guys, if I try to change the value of a by using, let's say, increment operator and run it, then it will give you an error, cannot modify a constant object. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward guys, in this program we have declared two constant integer variables a and b, and we have assigned 10 to a. So the value of a will be 10, but in case of constant integer variable b, we can use this constant integer variable a like this. So guys, now if I run this program, it is printing the values of a and b, and that are 10 and 20. Now guys, if I try to change the value of a and b by using pause increment operator, then obviously it will give you compile time error. So let's do this. Now guys, if I run this program, you will get two errors, and these errors are cannot modify a constant object, and this is the another error, that is also cannot modify a constant object. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.